This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter replacement. Unclip the black plastic cover and remove it. Pull and compress the filter to remove it. It may be reluctant to release because of the step in the filter, so withdraw it carefully. Fit the new element, observing any markings indicating its fitted direction. Refit the plastic cover and air ducting.